In 2026, if you're not scaling with AI UGC, you're leaving a huge opportunity on the table. And the tool I'm testing today can create ads that look like they cost thousands of dollars in just minutes. With Tagshop AI, I can turn a single idea into a complete AI UGC ad, remix the structure of successful ads using ad clone, and choose from hundreds of proven templates to speed up production. Today, we're putting all of those features to the test to see whether Tagshop AI can actually help create better marketing videos faster. If you'd like to try it yourself, you'll find the link in the description below.
If you're ready to make AI your superpower, welcome. Every video gives you new tools, new tricks, and simple shortcuts to level up your workflow instantly. No fluff, no geek talk, just practical power you can use today.
AI video generation has evolved quickly over the past year, but many tools still require multiple apps to write scripts, generate visuals, edit scenes, and prepare the final video. Tagshop AI aims to simplify that process by bringing everything into one workflow. Whether you're a DTC or B2B brand, an agency, or dropshipper, the goal is to help you create ready-to-publish AI UGC videos without needing traditional production equipment or advanced editing skills. Let's jump into the platform and see how it works. The first feature and the main focus of this platform is the AI video agent. Instead of manually creating every part of your video, everything starts with a simple conversation. Rather than generating the final video immediately, the AI agent asks relevant questions about your product, audience, messaging, and creative direction to better understand what you're trying to create. For this example, I'll create a promotional video for a fictional productivity app. After I enter my requirements, the AI begins building the project scene by scene, generating a storyboard that includes the script, visuals, and overall flow of the advertisement. What's impressive is that this workflow feels more like collaborating with a creative assistant than using traditional editing software.
My desk was a mess, and my focus was completely gone.
Building the project one scene at a time also gives you much more control. You can review each scene individually, make changes, regenerate only the sections you want, and approve the storyboard before the final video is created. This helps avoid wasting credits by regenerating an entire project when only one scene needs adjustment. Rather than jumping between different AI tools for writing, image generation, and video editing, the AI video agent keeps everything inside one interface. According to Tagshop AI, the platform uses Gemini, Omni, Seedance, Claude, and other leading AI models together to generate cinematic quality AI UGC content from a simple prompt. Once you're happy with the storyboard, the platform generates the finished video, which you can preview, fine-tune if needed, and export. The platform currently supports creating videos up to 60 seconds long, making it suitable for social media ads and short-form marketing campaigns. One thing I like is that you still remain in control. The AI handles the heavy lifting, but you can edit the script, replace visuals, adjust scenes, and fine-tune the final result before exporting. That makes the workflow much faster while still allowing you to customize the final video for your brand. Creating an ad isn't usually the hardest part. The real challenge is knowing whether people will actually respond to it. You could spend hours writing a script and still end up with a campaign that falls flat. So instead of starting from scratch every time, why not begin with ad formats that are already proven to work? That's exactly what the next feature is designed for. The ad clone feature is designed to speed up creative production even further. Instead of starting with a blank page, you simply paste the link to a winning ad or marketing video. Whether it's from the Meta Ads library, TikTok Ads library, or even your Explore or For You feed, Tagshop AI analyzes the video's structure, pacing, hooks, and creative style, then helps you generate a version using your own product, branding, messaging, and assets. This can be especially useful when you're experimenting with different advertising approaches or creating multiple variations for testing. This is really amazing. No shot list, no manual rebuilding. The AI just recreated the entire ad on its own. Whatever's performing right now, you can basically have your own version of it in minutes. Rather than manually recreating every scene yourself, the AI provides a strong starting point that you can continue customizing for your own campaign. It's important to use this feature responsibly by creating original marketing content for your own products and brand, rather than simply copying someone else's work. For marketers running multiple campaigns, this can significantly reduce the time needed to build fresh creative concepts. If you don't even know where to start, Tagshop AI includes another feature that makes the process even easier. Under Inspirations is essentially a collection of 200+ ready-to-use viral ad templates. Instead of designing every video from scratch, you can browse different categories. From apparel to apps, select a style that fits your campaign, and customize it with your own product and messaging. This is particularly helpful if you're creating content regularly and want to keep a consistent visual style while saving production time. Templates also provide useful inspiration for different industries and marketing goals, making it easier to get started even if you're new to AI-generated video creation. After testing these features, it's clear that Tagshop AI is built primarily for people who need to produce marketing content efficiently. That includes e-commerce brands creating product ads, agencies managing campaigns for DTC brands, SaaS companies producing promotional videos, and dropshippers looking to create more content in less time. The biggest advantage is the result. What used to take days of production and thousands of dollars can now be done in minutes for a fraction of the cost. If your goal is to create professional AI UGC videos more efficiently, Tagshop AI brings scripting, generation, editing, and exporting together into a single workflow. Overall, Tagshop AI focuses on making AI UGC creation much more accessible. The AI video agent helps turn an idea into a complete marketing video through a simple chat-based workflow. The ad clone feature makes it easier to build new creatives inspired by successful ad formats while adapting them for your own brand. And the inspiration gallery provides a fast starting point whenever you need fresh ideas or ready-made templates. Rather than replacing creativity, these features are designed to reduce repetitive production work so you can spend more time refining your message and testing different creative approaches. If you're interested in exploring AI-powered UGC creation, you can check out Tagshop AI using the link in the description below. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more AI tool reviews every week, and I'll see you in the next one.